Hey everybody, this is Nate with Martin Property Pros, and today we are working on this barn floor here. What we are doing is we are taking two skids here, one of which has rippers on it. It is going first, and it is coming through, and it is ripping up all this ground, making it so that way the Harley rake can go behind it, and it can really bust it up and make it look pretty fine, so that way our box plate can go back through, and it can level this whole barn out. It's needed so that way they don't have to add too much bedding in certain areas and have it too thin in other areas. These guys, they've already knocked out one barn today, and they plan on getting this one done by the end of the day.